Hello students, welcome in my class C Group N coaching classes. I am SHAILESH Prajapati and today I explain you chapter 14 Statistics part 3. Yes students, in the part 3 I explain median of group data. In part 1 I only just touch up the mean level. In part 2 I explain last part 2 for the mode of group data, and here third part, one of the major part, median of group data. Yes students, median of the group data. So that you know the already medians, just a basic first part I explain you. According to your 9th standard you know, first we arrange all the observation in the ascending either descending, and if your n observation is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2 the observation. And if you even numbers n, then median of the arrange by n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 the observations, and average it means whole divided by 2, that you known for without group data. Okay, but here I explain you by the median for group data. So in the group data you utilize this formula L plus n by 2 minus CF upon small f into h. Yes students, one by one I explain you what is the indicate the each symbol. L indicate, very easy, that you know lower limit of median class. N by 2, n you know total number of the observation. CF means students here cumulative frequency. N indicate number of the observations, and CF is what? Cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. I explain you what is the meaning for preceding here, and f is the frequency of the median class. So these all will utilize in this formula. So now let's start for the median of group data. And h is a class size. Class size means equal class interval are given in that class size. So example 7, find out median of the heights. Survey regarding the heights in the centimeter for 51 girls. Students already given here 51 means total numbers are given 51, but question given less than 140, less than 145. So you create first your class interval. Below 140 means 140 to 145, next 145 to 150, that like all. And number of the girls you write down just here 4 to 4 same, but second frequency write down 11 minus 4, then 7. Third frequency 29 minus 11, so 18. Fourth frequency 40 minus 29, it get 11. Fifth frequency are 46 minus 40, and last frequency 51 minus 46, that all added sure it is 51. Now I go to cumulative frequency. Students, cumulative frequency generally you mention by this way. This here 4 same as write down. Next 4 plus 7, this 4 added in the 7, and you create that additions, then you getting the 7 plus 4, it is 11. Same as that, like all frequency you just apply by the 11 plus 18 29, 29 plus 11 same 40, and 40 plus 6 same 46, and 46 plus 5 it is 51. Now look at that students, your total summation is 51, so you just write down 51 by 2. The formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon f into h. Put at their value and just you calculate further. Sure you getting 149.03. Yes students, 149.03 is your answer for this median. Next, in centimeter, right? Now continue. Example number 8. Median of the following data given, but missing asking xy, and total frequency given 1000. Students, this some IMP for exam, already asking in the board exam. Here following data given median and you missing frequency xy, class interval given, frequency given. So first of all you just create the cumulative frequency, easily creating 2 is 2 same, 2 plus 5 it gets 7, 7 plus x it is 7 plus x, 12 plus 7 plus 9 it is 19 plus x. Students, always you create this arrow 2 to 2 same, write down that like. Now 2 plus 5 is adding, you getting 7, and that way you just move ahead further, and last data is a 76 plus x plus y. Now look at that. What is your median given? Yes students, your median given 5 to 5. It is between as which number? Yes, it is between as 500 to 600. That's why I make here underline for 500 to 600. 20 is your frequency, and uppermost for the class in this formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon small f into h, and all value I known, put adjust value and further calculate. So 525 minus 500, it get 25, and right side 45 minus x into 5, they getting one little equation, and x is equal to 9. Yes students, this x is equal to 9 I utilize in the above equation number 1 and create y value. So from the 1 we getting 9 plus y is equal to 24, putting 9 x plus, and y is equal to 24 minus 9, it is 15. So students, here two missing data is ready. 24 minus 9 is equal to 15. And happily done here students, and this numerical for 4 marks. Now I go to next one. Yes students, here one of the short remarks. There is a empirical relation between the three measures of the central value. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So sometime asking in the exam for MCQ level, either 1 mark question students, utilize this equations. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Means mode and mean given and only asking median. Either median and mode given, only asking mean. Either median and mean given and only asking mode, then you utilize this short relation between that measurement of central tendency. 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. Clear? Yes. Now I next one move ahead. 14.3, first one. Monthly consumption given in the unit wise and number of the consumption given, consumers given. So first of all, you go to your questions, check out your data is your data is your continuous frequency. Yes, continuous. Check 65 to 85, next 85 to 105, next 105 to 125, that like all. Now create the cumulative frequency, and okay, sorry, not cumulative frequency, here asking median, mean and mode. Sorry, by mistake students, I told first mean level, after that mode, and after that median. It is a 3 questions asking in this sum. So class mark apply. 65 to 85 both plus by 2. Yes, 150 by 2, it is 75. And now same as going ahead, 20 additions. So students, you check here, what is the middle value for this xi? Yes, middle value is what one? Middle value is your 135. And students, this middle value is applying to your assume. This assume, you just highlight here a equal to. Okay, assume is a 135, and further calculate xi minus 135. Next, after that, ui write di by 20 because 20 is my class interval, and total fi into ui last table. Make them product 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 5 into minus 2, minus 10, 13 into minus 1, minus 13. Same as going ahead, last 4 into 3, final formula. Sigma fi ui 7 from the above table, sigma fi 68, and class size h is equal to 20. And my formula is a mean a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h, that become value, put it, further calculate, you getting 137.058. Yes students, 137.058. Now here students, our mean over. Now I go to further for find out your maximum frequency belonging the class interval. For the mode level, it is 125 to 145, and modal class is ready 125 to 145. So lower modal class value ready 125, class size 20, and look at that in the question. F1, F0, F2 is your 20, respectively 13 and 14, and apply the all values in 5 mistakes. Yes, these are further backside portions, and here you just follow up that value 68 by 2 students. So 125 to 145, median of the frequency is 20 and presenting the 22, formula put in. And what is formula? L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon small f into h, and all value put it. Further calculate, you getting out answer is a 137. Yes students, it's a very easy process for find out median. Finally done here, median, mode and the mean students. So last, therefore write down median, mode and mean is given data for 137, next 135.76 and last 137.05 respectively are the three measures are approximately the same in these cases. Next 14.3 second one. This second one is also students IMP questions, already that type one numerical done in the example. Median given 28.5 and missing value asking the XY. So students, you check out 28.5 where the belonging. Yes, it is belonging by the betweenness. Our 28.5 is your that between 20 to 30. That's why students, I making your 20 to you're applying that's value by 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and going to here frequency level, class frequency already I again written, and cumulative frequency write down. How much? 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20, 25 plus x, and that between is because 28.5 is your median. That's why you create this your 20 to 30 is your median class, 20 is a frequency, and that median L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon small f into h. Put it the values, and see median is also students given here 28.5 and other values I put at the right side, and your solution is 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. Again calculate. So 8.5 into 2 multiply that 17 and right side 25 minus x. You getting x is equal to 8. And students, this x is equal to 8. Apply the equation number 1. Yes, what is your equation number 1? 8 plus y is equal to 15. So y is equal to 15 minus 8. It gets 7. And here happily done for this median level. Next one. Last written. Value of the x and y are respectively 8 and 7, as well as you mention by the properly solutions. 14.3 question number 3rd. Same asking here. 100 policy holder given, calculate median age. If policy are given only to persons having age 18 onwards but less than 60, means here barrier given below 80 not exist, only 18 to 60 years given. So here given below 20, below 25, below 30. Students, this numerical is also IMP. Yeah? Number of the policy holder given. So students, this age in year below 20 is not your class. Huh? I create the class 18 to 20. Look at that in question. One of the given personal age to 18 onwards starting. So 18 to 20 first, next 20 to 25 second, 25 to 30. 30 to 35, same as move ahead last 55 to 60, because maximum 60 years cover to your insurance. Now cumulative frequency 2, getting next 2 minus 6 minus 2, 4. Why is subtracted? Because already given the below the age is given, students. That's why number of the policy holder I subtracted. Same 24 minus 6, same 45 minus 24. Similarly 78 minus 45, same as going ahead, and after that create cumulative frequency. Students, cumulative frequency and given question are same here, see, because it is already cumulative frequency given in question, but here I again create for your basic understanding. Now check out. Total n is 100. So 100 divided by 2, surely it is 50. So in the above class, already I show here 100 by 2 50, and this 50 already tick mark in the table. So lower limit median class ready, class size h ready, frequency 33 and cumulative frequency 45. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon small f into h. Apply their all values and further calculate. You getting little answer 35.76 is your median level. So lastly I showing, therefore median age is 35.76 years is done. Yes students, 35.76 yeah, clearly over here. 14.3 question number 4, median asking for the leaves. Students, this sum is also most IMP, because check out, your given class is not a continuous data. Check here, one of the 126, but next not starting to 126, it is a 127. So you just checking it is not a continuous data. That's why students, you create in continuity. So what to do? Lower limit subtract 0.5 minus and upper limit plus 0.5 added. Again repeat, lower limit subtract minus 0.5 and upper limit added plus 0.5. So you create easily length in mm for continuity. So your first class create 1117.5 to 126.5, same as next 126.5 to 135.5. Check here students, you taking left hand side lower limit minus 0.5 and upper limit plus 0.5, sure you continuity is valid, and number of the leaves same write down, and cumulative frequency same write down, 3 to 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, that like all. Now students, what is the total? Yes, total is 40. So 40 divided by 2, it is your 20. So where belonging 20? 17 to 29. That's why I just here make the underline between 17 plus 29 related, and here your class interval is also ready for 145.5 to 153.5. 12 is your frequency and 17 is your cumulative frequency. Students, upper presenting class 7. Now continue move ahead students. 14.3 question number 5. Our 5 question is also same as to lifetime given, number of the lambs and cumulative frequency. Students, here total cumulative frequency at the end of here 400, because total frequency addition is 400. So I just create 400 by 2 means 200, and at all 200 surely belonging between 130 to 216. Students, this 130 to 216, so your surely median class is 3000 to 3500. Frequency 86, and sure presenting the cumulative frequency that 130, and is all value. Students, you create that in the solution wise L3000, median class 86, cumulative frequency 130, and class size is a 500, because the increment that 1500 to 2000 is a 500. After all, I always putting in the our median formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon small f into h, and all value after that put at the values 3000 plus 200 minus 130 by 86 into 500. So it will get final value 3406.96 hours. So finally students, here done these questions. Next 14.3 question number 6, number of the letters and number of the surnames. Find out median, also mean and also mode. So students, indirectly it is a 5 marks question. Individually one by one I going ahead. So number of the letters first write down and number of the surnames frequency, and after that first I create cumulative frequency, because I first calculate median. So 6 is as it is, 6 plus 30, 36. 36 plus 40, 76. 76 plus 16, 92. That like all. And total is getting to 100 divided by 2, it is 50. Now students, 50 is belonging between which number? 36 to 76. So class 40. Frequency and class is 70 to 10. So that's why we create this all values by these equations. So median class is 7, cumulative frequency 36, and frequency of the median class is 40. Yes students, and that all value just to create by the statement wise and apply our formula for L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon small f into h, median value. And that median value is applying after that, you getting the 8.05 after the putting the all above data. So 8.05 are done students. But in question asking, there are median, mode and mean. So here median done students. Now I go ahead to mean level. So number of the letter same, number of the surname same, and class mark apply. Upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. Xi means 1 plus 4 means 5 divided by 2, it is 2.5. 4 plus 7, 11 by 2, it is 5.5. 7 plus 10, 17 by 2, it is 8.5. Same is going ahead. Now students, check what is the central value of Xi. Yes, there are two central value, one of the 8.5 and one of the 11.5. So what you taking? Any one you taking students. Either 8.5 is also true and 11.5 is also true. So I just taking here di Xi minus assume mean 11.5. So 2.5 minus 11.5 right, minus 9. 5.5 minus 11.5 right, minus 6. Same as going ahead, and di ready. So after that, ui equal to di by 3. Yes, minus 9 by 6. Minus 6 by 30. That like all. So divided by 3 and last write FIUI. FIUI means second table and last table. 6 into minus 3, minus 18. 30 into minus 2, minus 60. 40 into minus 1, minus 40. And that like all, FIUI sigma ready minus 106. And these all value students apply in the formula. Formula is also known. Assume mean A is equal to mean is equal to A plus sigma FIUI by sigma FI into H. And from the above table, sigma FI ready 100, sigma FIUI ready minus 106, A ready 11.5 and H is 3. So mean is equal to A plus sigma FIUI by sigma FI into H. Value put it and further calculate. Surely you getting 11.5 minus 3.18. It get 8.32. Yes students, 8.32. That's your mean. Now median ready, mean ready. Now same question start but mode level. So this is your mode level. Again I write down the question and check out students what is the highest frequency in the given question. 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. Yes, it is highest is 40. So modal class is ready 7 to 10. This one. And here you create, it is your F0. And here you creating F1. And last one, it is F2. That like. Correct no? This here 30 is F0. Here F1. And that is your F2. And students, this all value. 14.3 is 7th one. Find the median only asking. So median wise students, I just create these values. So same is applying here, weight and frequencies. Check here, your question is weight by the 45 to 45, 50 to 50, it is a continuous data students. So I just applying here one of the cumulative frequencies. And after that cumulative frequency, look at that, total summation is 30. So you just create 30 by 2 means 15. And where belonging 15? Yes, it is belonging to 13 to 19. So this 13 to 19, it's covered to 6 frequency. What is your formula? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon small f into h. Yes, all value detect. 15 minus 13 by 6 into 5, and further calculate. You getting 56.67 is your last answer, students. Is the median. That's why I last write down. Therefore, median weight is 56.67 kg. That is my last and final answer. Yes, students, here median our done. So, congratulations, students. Our chapter 14 statistics part 3 done here, and I give you as per a same system one of the little thoughts for you. Opportunity does not happen, you create them. Yes, students, in your life always opportunity does not happen, you always create them, then you succeed your path for the success path. Yes, thank you very much. And students, further study and next explanation I explain you in the part 4. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.